All right, time to do a Kraken base. First thing we'll do is we'll use our technicals and we'll just clean out the avalanche. And let's get rid of a Cyclops. Now let's go over here. Let's get rid of a few more avalanches so we can clean this base out right. And one more. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. At this point we're going to take a little bit of damage. If we get lucky, we can kill off a couple of escorts. There we go. Got that one. All right. Got rid of him. Now we have another tune of technicals. We're going to kill this one, and hopefully we can get the escort behind him. Hope that he will follow. Take a little bit of damage, but not a lot. Oh, he didn't come. All right, we didn't get him. Well, we'll get him with something else. Okay, so that's the end of that. Now we will bring in... And later on, if I have time, I'll show you what we got here. But we got one bishop. We got 3 SS. We got the Dark Storm. And we have 2 Cerberus. That's good right there. We'll stop you guys right there. We'll deselect you. We're going to also need... a couple of envoys, not right at the moment. Now we want to distract them a little bit, so we're going to send our Cerberus in to get this guy fighting a little bit. Once they start shooting, okay, you're right there. Now we will, where are you? There you are. You've got to clean out the front. Hopefully we don't get too much damage. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. We'll just see what we get. Here they come, here they come. Bring that escort right in here. Oh, he didn't come. Here he comes. Our SS will clean him out there. He's good. He's good. He's gone. Put them on hold. Now let's go back in. No, wrong thing. Let's take our envoys in. Get rid of the rail. Okay, now let's go clear out the front of the other side. Same thing. Bishop, 3 SS, 2 Cerberus, and the Dark Storm. That's good enough right there. Put them all on hold. Deselect, deselect. Let's get a couple of envoys ready to go. All right, now let's send in, again, the Cerberus is just getting a distraction. Okay, hold on. This is not what we want. Didn't do it right. Deselect them. Now send in the Cerberus. Just to draw the fire so that they don't kill my envoys. Good, right there. You're good. Send the envoys in. Clean out the front. Withdraw them so they don't die. And that's good enough. Okay, get rid of them. Now we will bring in now we have 2 more SS and a Sunder. We're just going to come up here. Going to get ourselves in position. We're going to get the Kraken to come to us. First, we got to get in position. We got to clean out a little bit of the front. But right now, we're just getting ourselves into position. Okay. Now, we're going to use Sunder to clean out the front. Just going to clean out the front. Let's see if we can get this Cerberus to come up. We can kill him off. That's even... Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on. Get up here. Get him into the shadow. And then we kill him dead. There he is. All right. Let's do the same thing on the other side. This base is almost done. We'll show you how it goes. Oh, we're running out of time. Well, we'll have to do it. Do we have time? I don't think we have time. All right. That's right. We'll just go back in. We'll clean up what we didn't get. Now we're just sending everybody in. Dark Storm. Total of 5 SS. Sharpshooters. 1 Bishop. 2 Cerberus. Sunder. We're just going to get in position up here. We'll finish cleaning this out a little bit. And the Kraken will come to us. We'll kill the Kraken and we're done. Get these guys all up here, get them into the shadow of the Bishop. All right, that's good enough right there. So we'll get the Sunder out here. See if we can get this other Cerberus. Here he comes. No, thought maybe he's going to come. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Here he comes. All right. Bring the Sunder in here. No, these guys are on hold. Now we're going to send the 2 Cerberus out, and they're going to draw the Draken in. Right there is good enough. Here he comes. Here comes the Draken. Now when the Draken comes in, we're just going to kill him. That's it. 1 Kraken base done. Let's see what we got. Focus lens. All right. Better than nothing. So that's a Kraken base. So we got Dark Storm, 3 SS, a Bishop, 2 Cerberus, 2 more SS that come in when the Sunder come in. We got some technicals, but it's just that easy. So hopefully you enjoyed it.